If you're having a hard time making a decision or processing a situation, I can help you do that in 4 easy steps. I want you to remember SIFT. We're going to start with S. S stands for sensations. I want you to notice whatever sensations are coming up for you as you think of this decision or this problem from your head all the way down to your toes. Do you notice tension, cold, hot, a lump in your throat, stomach, headache? Next, we're going to go into images. What images come up for you as you think of this past problem or this future decision that you have to make? Then we're going to notice our feelings. Make sure you use feeling words like angry, overwhelmed, happy, withdrawn, anxious, sad. And finally, we're going to move on to thoughts. What thoughts come up for you as you think of this decision or this situation that happened in the past? Once you've done that, you have successfully activated both your mind and your body when it comes to processing through this situation or making this decision for the future. So take your time, journal it, and you will be in a much better place to know what your next steps should be.